Hello, I am Shaun Murray. I am the CEO of Margin Reform. I'm talking to you today because I have created an introductory collateral management course, which you are hopefully interested in taking. Why have I created a course? I regard myself as an industry practitioner. I've been working in collateral for over 10 years, and before that in credit risk for 10 years and operations for 10 years. I have taken many courses over the years where a theoretical explanation has been given, but at no point really have I taken a course where a business reason has been given or business experience has been passed across to me to learn from. That is the reason I've created this course. As a practitioner, I expect you to take away from it learning around collateral management, why it exists, what it's for, the key concepts and challenges that exist in collateral management today, but also the journey that we've been on since global financial crisis, to be able to comprehend and assess the collateral drivers, so things such as P&L, profit and loss, the operational costs, the regulations that impact collateral, and the best practices that are driven by the industry practitioners today to move the market forwards and constantly evolve. We will look at the legal structure of collateral management, the technology behind collateral management, the vendors, the fintechs. We'll then look at the future. What does the future hold for collateral management? This is a CISI accredited course. I'd love to see you on the journey. I look forward to it. Thank you very much. Speak to you soon.